Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Apps. Then click on App Twin and click on the sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, it's only Facebook. So when I click and wait, I can see that my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, just go into exactly the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to your cloned app. Then hit close in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!